Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to check out how to customize invoice templates in Wave. Wave allows you to customize your invoice templates, making them look professional and aligning with your business brand identity. Let's go through the process in detail. On your invoice page, you want to click on the settings icon that's in the upper right corner of the screen. Next, select invoice template from the drop-down menu. This will bring up a list of template options and customization settings for your invoices. Next, choose your template. Wave provides several built-in templates with different layouts and designs. Select one that best fits your business style, or you can start with a blank template to fully customize. Next, adjust the layout and design. Under the template settings, you can modify aspects like font, colors, and margin. This option allows you to match the invoice's appearance to your specific branding. You can also choose to display certain elements like your business information or customer details in different places. Next, preview your changes. After making edits, always preview your invoice by clicking on Preview to see how your changes will look. This ensures that everything is aligned correctly and that your invoice maintains a professional appearance. Next, save your template. Once satisfied with the changes, click Save to apply the new template to all future invoices. By following these steps, you have invoices that not only look good, but also represent your business in the best possible way. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you in the next one.